Most HOA boards run on two tools, email and a spreadsheet. They feel free. They are not. A 200-unit board loses about 13 hours every week, not to real board work, to busy work a system should handle. Let me show you where those hours go. Start with dues. A manager spends about 6 hours a week chasing late payments. Then repairs. Another 4 hours go to requests scattered across 3 inboxes. Then the file hunt. Add 3 hours of, where is that document? That is 13 hours a week. Over a year, 676 hours. Pay $25 an hour and you spent almost $17,000 on work nobody chose to do. A self-managed board pays a different price. It pays in volunteer goodwill, and that runs out. Time is only half the bill. The mistakes are the rest. A dues payment lands in a reply nobody opens. A repair request sits in a deleted folder. 2 board members edit the same sheet, and one version wins by accident. Each slip is small. Together, they break trust. And trust is the one thing a board cannot buy back. Spreadsheets have no memory of who changed what. Email has no record of what got promised. When an owner disputes a charge, you have a search bar and a bad feeling. Here is the fix. Put the scattered work in one place. Dues track per unit, and the record updates itself. Repairs become work orders the whole board can see. Rules and documents live in a searchable library, so an owner question takes seconds, not an evening. Votes run online. Every change lands in an activity log. The work still happens. You just stop doing it by hand. Run the math on your own board. Take your unit count. Estimate the weekly hours on dues, repairs, and lost files. Multiply by 52. That number is the real cost of free. We broke down the full bill in one post. The link is in the description. Read it, then run your own numbers. SoShiny is built by people who have sat on a board. Every feature, every plan, a 30-day free trial. Go run your community like a boss.